On July 26 in South Korea, the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event is scheduled to take place. Along with these premium flagships, Samsung will also reveal its premium smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, during the events. The firm will also unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Z Fold 5 foldable smartphones. With regard to new goods, Samsung has gone to great lengths to maintain secrecy, but tweet-happy leakers have kept us well-fed with delicious data. The most recent effort to do so uses a few additional images to expose the precise sizes for all Galaxy Watch 6 models. According to 9to5 Google, Korean merchants have listed the Galaxy Watch 6 series with all the sizes plainly stated. However, we are in for a surprise that is practically 2 mm larger. This year, it seems that Samsung intends to offer the Galaxy Watch 6 in case sizes of 40 mm and 44 mm and the Watch 6 Classic in case sizes of 43 mm and 47 mm. Only the Watch 4 Classic, with its 46 mm option, would come in second place, making the 47 mm Classic model the biggest Galaxy Watch we have ever seen. The retailer's website also indicates that the same size selections will be available for both the LTE and Wi-Fi models. 96 fresh leak renderings of the Galaxy Watch 6 models were published on Twitter by Snoopy Tech. We had seen a few leave images of the wearable around this time last month, but now we need a closer look. There seems to be more combinations of strap and material in the series. With the Galaxy Watch 6, Samsung obliquely introduces support for a number of technological features that have been discussed in recent months. The fast disconnect button beneath the straps seems to be shown in the images, which should make changing straps much easier. These also imply that the Galaxy Watch 6 series will be produced in Vietnam and have sapphire crystal glass with a 5 atm water resistance rating. It shouldn't take too long to learn more and validate the aforementioned specifications. With any luck, the Galaxy Watch 6 series will make its debut on July 26 at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, which has been confirmed. Blast then shared a few images on his Threads account revealing the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, Watch 6, and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic pre-orders deals. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.